A name, it's the most important aspect of our sense of self. It is the first thing that is known about us when we're born. Our names, it's what people identify us by. Some names are easy: Scott, Tom, Roderick, but some are more difficult. Many children of other cultures or children of color carry the burden or the struggle of having difficult names. Names that it takes people weeks, months, or even years to get. Names that are constantly mispronounced. Names that make every conversation start with a huh? How do you say that? Am I getting it right? Names that you're too afraid to say to the lady at Starbucks. Names that define you at your core. They define your culture, yet you're too afraid to use. These names people butcher over and over and over again. And at some point you just wish, hey, what if it was easy? What if it was just a name? What if it didn't have to be this struggle in every conversation? But why should we settle for that? Why should we carry the burden of our names by ourselves? Why should we not expect the respect that our names deserve? Why should we just accept that some people won't pronounce our names right? Why should we accept that it is okay to be constantly mislabeled and misnamed, and for people to not even attempt to try? Names are often remembered in history, difficult names. You remember Julius Caesar, you remember Tchaikovsky, you remember Michelangelo, you'll remember Jake Gyllenhaal. But to say Aadil, is it that difficult? Why? Why do we inherently not try for something that is so important as our names? Because if they can learn to say Tchaikovsky and Michelangelo, they can learn to say Aadil.